Hi everyone, it's Shannon from WTI. I wanted to tell you about my absolute favorite hair straightener. This is the hair straightener brush from TYMO. I have curly, frizzy, wavy, you name it kind of hair, I have it. So this definitely does get my hair straight when I want a nice smooth hairstyle. I love that this straightener has 5 different heat settings which go all the way up to 410 degrees in as little as 20 seconds, which is great for those in a rush, and that's what I use for my hair. This straightener does come with the heat-proof glove so that you're always safe. And also there is an anti-scald feature, so you are able to get really close to your scalp for nice straight hair. And I'm able to pass the straightener once or twice and I get smooth, sleek hair, which is important to me. And it does help with reduce frizz because I live in a very humid area and I need something that will keep my hair straight all day. And for those who often forget to turn off their straighteners, there is the auto shut at 30 minutes. This TYMO hair straightener is a 2-in-1 product. It combines a straightening comb and an iron. I love a 2-for-1 product. And also this beautiful matte black and metallic pink color is so pretty. I love it. And I just love that it has all the features that I need, and it is very travel friendly, and it does come with a nice travel bag. I love this straightener so much, and I hope you will too. And that's my point of view.